Right now we are going to talk about 1952 to 1954 Ford and Mercury. In this case it'll fit Mercury. Floor braces and four-door rocker panels. This will be a short one. We got our typical floor pan that we've been making for years. People are very happy. 18 gauge made in Detroit. We started on making the floor braces. Right now we got the first and second rows done. We're working on the third, fourth, and fifth, and this, that's specialty stuff for the hardtops. Here again, made in Detroit by EMS in our own factories. The floor brace for the 1952 to 1954 Ford and Mercury, die stamped out of 18 gauge, has all the levels, all the curves, even the little offset, anything on the floor pan is there. We make it not Chinese tissue paper, clean American steel, made here in Detroit where car parts are supposed to be made. We can put the holes here. This is your second row or first row floor brace. Here again, it's all made the way it's supposed to be. Now, for the fortunate few that like to have the four-door cars, EMS does make a die-stamped four-door rocker panel. We've been making the two doors for many years, but now we have the four-door rocker panels. We do make it in two pieces, front door, rear door on the four-door car. People say, why? Well, if you had to ship this long piece in UPS, they'd probably bend it. So we make it in two pieces, easier to install, easier to ship. Don't fall for this, long rocker panel. That's a scam by people who sit in their basement with computers and stuff. There's no such thing as a long rocker panel. You make it in two pieces so you can ship it, like goes together, and it'll work out fine. Front door, rear door, 1952 to 54 Ford and Mercury four-door rocker panels. And don't forget the floor braces fit four doors, two doors, convertibles, hardtops, sedan deliveries, if you're lucky enough to have a sedan delivery courier. Remember, EMS Automotive, you can reach us at 248-546-0232. Call us Eastern Standard Time, that's New York. Or we have a website which is
EMSautomotive.com.